Add cola to chicken wings, a tip I learned from a Chinese man. I'll start by adding cola to 600 grams of chicken wings. Leave to marinate for 15 minutes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now let's mix these spices together very well. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video, so you don't miss out on any recipes. In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt and add a drizzle of oil. We can now put the chicken wings in the pan and let them fry until golden brown. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you for interacting and send you a hug. I'm going to turn the wings over so that they brown on the other side. Add 2 cloves of garlic. I'll add the rest of the cola. The amount I'm using is 150 milliliters. I'll put this delicious sauce we've prepared all over the chicken wings. This recipe will surprise your family. It's very delicious. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. I look forward to hearing from you. Spread the sauce well and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Always keep an eye on the chicken wings so that they cook well and don't burn. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you like this recipe. The chicken wings were very succulent. It makes you want to make this recipe every day. I love chicken recipes. Let me know if you like them too. Our recipe is ready. I added a little parsley to finish, but it's optional. Now I'm going to enjoy this delight and treat myself to another dish of the day. Keep following us, you'll love receiving our recipes every day. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.